Hi, Brian Keene here with Qualified Capital. We just wrapped our fall family office pitch event, and it was a great success. We had 5 companies present to over 80 investors, and it was fantastic.
Hi, my name is Alex Grenier. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of CBD Export Global. CBD Export Global is a supply chain company in the cannabis space. We do quality control, we supply ingredients, and we do contract manufacturing. I come from the tech space, and my experience, family offices have been great to work with. I think they take the time to understand entrepreneurs, to understand the business. They tend to come in early and to like disruptive and innovative companies, and I feel that we fit in that pattern. We started the company a year ago, and we've rapidly acquired our Health Canada licenses and a quality control testing lab, which operates right now with 20 scientists and support staff analysts. Some of our customers include Novartis, Sandoz, some of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world. We're rapidly moving into the cannabis space in order to provide the same services to the cannabis industry in a business-to-business model. And what we're doing here in New York is that we're setting up a contract manufacturing facility in Long Island, which will make us one of the most dominant players in the space.
Hi, my name is Corey Jasson, and I'm President and CEO of Musgrow Biologics Corp. Musgrow Biologics Corp is an ag biotech company that is focused on providing natural, science-based solutions for high-value crops, such as in fruit and vegetables and cannabis. We have a natural biopesticide that can help treat the soil of pests and diseases before crops are grown. We've got a 100% owned proprietary technology that we've proven over the years that it's very effective at controlling pests and diseases. In fact, efficacy is similar to that of synthetic chemicals, and it's natural and organic. It's very important for food production around the world, and our technology is going to replace synthetic chemicals.
Hi, my name is Fran Sanda. I'm the Chief Business Development Officer for Province Brands of Canada. So Province Brands is the world's first and will be the only company that authentically brews a cannabis beer from the plant. Province Brands is the world's first company and will be the only company that authentically brews a cannabis beer from the plant itself. While everybody else will take a normal barley beer, infuse the cannabis, we actually take the cannabis plant and extract sugars from it and create a beer. So while we may be a beverage company, though, we obviously are very much involved in the R&D aspects of cannabis, and we're also a branding company. I think people should look at Province Brands for a variety of reasons. One, it's a general cannabis marketplace. I think there is some interesting disruptions that's going to happen within cannabis in general. I think that's exciting. But specifically with Province, we have a patented process that will differentiate us that nobody else will be able to do. All the other companies will come out with very similar commoditized products as opposed to Province Brands. And I think this is a unique opportunity for people to get in at a ground floor for something that will absolutely disrupt the beverage space, specifically within the beer beverage space.
My name is Robert Nistico. I'm the President and CEO of Splash Beverage Group. Splash Beverage Group is a fully integrated beverage company. We manufacture, we market, we distribute, incubate, and accelerate brands. Our main product is Tap Out Performance and Hydration Recovery Drink. It is an isotonic sport beverage. We are partners with the WWE. John Cena, The Rock, they all wear our clothing. It's a tremendous product. It's all 5 electrolytes, all natural, tastes good, and highly efficacious. This opportunity is outstanding, and it's all about timing. We are completely organized. We are ready. We have product on shelf, way past proof of concept. We are early stage revenue, which offers a good investment opportunity, and we are executing our public strategy as we speak. We should be public in the OTC market QB in the next 2 weeks, and then we'll start the uplist process to NASDAQ Big Board, file our S1.
I'm Dr. Raza Bokhari. I am the Executive Co-Chair and CEO of FSD Pharma. FSD Pharma is a licensed producer of medicinal grade cannabis. We are located outside Toronto in the city of Cobourg. We rehabilitated an old Kraft cheese factory and have a 25,000 square feet facility where we are growing medicinal grade cannabis in hydroponic conditions. We also, through our acquisition of a US-based biotech specialty company, Prismic Pharmaceutical, are advancing clinical trials of certain synthetic compounds, especially cannabinoid synthetic compounds that target the endocannabinoid system, that are trying to find better treatment outcomes for certain diseases of the central nervous system, certain skin conditions, and autoimmune diseases of the gastrointestinal tract and musculoskeletal system. I think it is important that for family offices to make investment in our company, and to also, if they find that it is an attractive company because it is still in the public domain, to also take position in our company.
We look forward to having all of our investors back for our holiday pitch in December. In fact, December 3rd, coming up next month. Thank you.